Who got some cherries?
Smile. Smile for Mina.
It's camera, yeah.
Come here,
The white one. Look at these cherries.
I'm just like you though. I want to go sit in a hammock and just hang out here.
Yes. Hammock.
This is like, I think this is like what's missing in life.
Wow.
So much simpler.
All these cherries.
This is like how bananas grow.
Bananas. You want some bananas? Ничего, Давид. Вот я всегда не высохнут.
Bananas have like,
Wow.
growing in like chunks.
Cherries. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Cherries. А? Где ты много нашел? Покажи. Ой, сколько черри. Ой, сколько черри. Nom. Yummy. Oi, David. Oh, give her that.
We're just like in heaven. Oh, you're doing our